So in one of my classroom, we were doing this activity. So I made kids do the guided meditation, and then they have to envision their dream world.
They got the idea about what is contemporary art is.
The day when my learning manager Pratibha, she came to our center, and one of my kids, she recited this poetry which is about everybody sticking together and the values of grit and determination and how success could be achieved with that. And her poetry was so beautiful, and the way she recited it was so heartfelt that Pratibha ended up crying.
One of my really early lessons was on rhyme schemes, and I made this really elaborate and lesson plan about introducing all of these really famed poets, and I took it to class, and the kids were not having it. They just weren't having it. The lesson entirely tanked.
My favorite moment had always been the smile and happy faces of the children, all geared up for theatre sessions.
When my kids brought their most precious possessions to the classroom as a part of their activity, and thereon they narrated lovely stories and memories behind it.
जब क्लास में हम बच्चों से पूछते थे कि अब कौन अपनी पोइट्री सुनाना चाहता है, तो एक साथ सभी बच्चे हाथ उठा के जो है बोलते थे कि मुझे सुनाना है, मुझे सुनाना है.
I took 5 of my kids for the World Showcase, and they absolutely loved every single minute of it.
And it was around 13 out of 15 kids who had done the homework had all written their homework independently.
The moment when my kids started expressing themselves through pictures and through the art form.
It was the most exciting moment when you realize how much they love the classes.
I think my favorite moment from the fellowship was when during my 3rd session a student came up to me and looked me in the eye and said, "Didi, आप सही कह रहे थे, कोई भी poems लिख सकता है, मैं भी poems लिख सकती हूँ."
It has to be all the Baithaks where all the fellows would come together and they would share the stories from their classrooms.
The first reflection session at the end of the first Baithak, I remember how we were all different kind of people coming together and we all broke into tears.
जनवरी में डिसाइड किया कि हम एक इवेंट आने वाला इंडिया आर्ट फेयर, क्या वहाँ बच्चों को ले जा सकते हैं. उस समय जितनी भी बातें करी थी, I remember that was the best moment of my life.
There was this class where I made small frames for the kids because they don't have cameras and mobile phones, and they were very happy.
All the sessions, every moment spent with my kids.
There were these times when it took kids almost 6-7 classes to get on stage for the first time, so that's always special.
Where all of us were just playing a random song and just dancing. It was so pure.
Realizing that there are so many kids who are not living up to their potential when it comes to creativity and arts.
हमने पहला शोकेस किया पूरे स्कूल के बच्चों के सामने, टीचर्स के सामने हमने पहला शोकेस किया, और मैं खुद उस वक्त नर्वस था कि पता नहीं ये बच्चे पब्लिक के सामने कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे.
Do my kids use anything that I teach them or use anything that they learn in my class in their other lessons?
Where do these kids get so much of creativity?
I asked them what they understood about gender, and the first thing they wanted to completely discredit was the binary.
One thing that really made me wonder was, it's just like an instance. This girl Nafisha, she performed a poem. She was amazing. When you see, watching her perform, was like seeing someone who has अंदर से आ रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था.
What if every single child in the entire world expressed the same to the entire world?
The fellowship really made me wonder about the subtle yet strong impact of art on learners.
The one thing that really made me wonder was the proper backup and support of Slam Out Loud team.
I think something I wonder throughout throughout the course of my fellowship was whether my students would go back and revisit poetry if these sessions were not conducted regularly.
Comprehending others leaves no one untouched. So like this fellowship that is aimed towards like building community and creative confidence among kids will never leave you untouched as a person.
That really makes me wonder that how the children are, even after a month or two, they remember the fine details what the artist talked to them about their art practice.
SOL टीम जिस तरीके से कमिटेड होके हम लोग को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आई थी,
It really made me wonder the kind of strength and the kind of effort it takes for them to open up in our sessions.
When I look at them, the kids, I think I wonder every time when I look at them.
With the current resources and everything that we had, but still always I thought, what else could we do? What else could be done in this classroom, or how are we lacking or something? What else could we do to make this better?
How messed up the art education system is.
Despite the limited resources and opportunities that are available to the kids.
So when I started out, the kids were a little closed up around me. They thought कि ये भैया आते हैं हर 2 हफ्ते में एक बार, and he has fun and everything, and he might make us play games, he might teach us something, but I don't think they were taking me seriously enough in the first few sessions, and now they were really eager to and looking forward to it.
In my last few sessions, I was really happy to see the choir do a lot, the lot that wasn't as interested, wanting to perform poems in front of the entire class.
I remember those moments in the beginning of where I have a doubt कि पढ़ा भी पाऊंगी या नहीं, to kids faces completely blank कि क्या ही होता है, to today where I see my kids turning so passionate about poetry. They are doing so much into poetry.
These children have started observing and thinking.
They got comfortable with me very easily.
Initially my kids were very hesitant to practice whatever I was teaching them.
The first time when I met them, they were a little shy and not very much confident about saying their stories about themselves, but now they are such powerful storytellers and they own up themselves.
I saw my kids evolving into more confident and curious human beings.
I believe that my community kids have become more aware of their surroundings.
The change that I noticed in my class was the transformation of the students through theatre art. In the sessions, they felt that for the first time they were being heard.
Seeing that boost in their self-confidence, seeing them being more comfortable.
From that to them sending me images of artworks that they've created, things that I hadn't even taught them.
शुरुआत में जो मेरे लगता था कि नहीं शायद बच्चों के साथ काम करना वो मज़ा नहीं आ पाएगा, जो मुझे बाद में रियलाइज़ हुआ कि एफर्ट जितना ज़्यादा मैं पुट करूँगा बच्चे अपने आप और खुलेंगे.
I think turning from a mentor to their friend was the most valuable change that I could see in the class.
Today I am very happy as I have completed my 1 year with the organization Slam Out Loud. I was able to introduce myself with the organization from the help of guest sir, who teaches us to pen down our imagination on a paper. I enjoyed introduction session with him a lot. I wrote many poems from the help of sir. I faced stage with him in a duet.
Hello Didi, I'm Astha Singh. And Tana Didi, you are really an amazing teacher. जब भी मैं आपके साथ पढ़ती थी मुझे ऐसा कुछ टेंशन वगैरह नहीं लगता था कि हाँ मतलब मैं कुछ गलत कर दूँगी, कुछ ठीक कर दूँगी, बट मुझे बहुत हैप्पीनेस लगता था कि हाँ मैं एक ऐसी टीचर के साथ काम कर रही हूँ जिसके साथ मैं बिल्कुल फ्रेंडली रहती हूँ. मतलब आपके साथ मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं बहुत दुखी भी हूँ कि ना मतलब अब आपकी ईयर्स पूरे हो गए हैं, अब मतलब आप चेंज हो जाओगे यहाँ से, कोई दूसरी टीचर्स अब हमें पढ़ाएंगी, बट इट्स ओके. ऐसा चलता रहता है, कोई आता है कोई जाता है, इट्स ओके. अगर आप जैसी टीचर ना होती तो शायद हम पोएम लिखना भी ना सीख पाते. और अगर मुझे आज पोएम लिखने आती है, मैं पोएम बना भी पाती हूँ, लिख भी पाती हूँ, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी वजह से. और परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जो आपने मुझे करेज दिया, परफॉर्मेंस का तरीका बताया, परफॉर्मेंस के लिए वर्ड्स को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करें, ये सब कुछ आपको बताने के लिए मुझे बहुत 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 थैंक यू. and I wish you enjoy your life with lot of happiness and आप घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए और अपनी हैप्पी फैमिली के साथ ये अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय करिए and I wish that your all wishes will complete soon. Take care, bye bye. Thank you, Didi.